In this video, I'm gonna show you how to configure a Docker host so that the individual containers inside of it can have its own local area network IP address that is accessible by you on your LAN. Okay, so this will be our target. So our Docker host, we have 4 containers, and all the containers can have an addressable IP address that is sitting on our local area network. Okay, so as you can see, Nginx 192.168.1.1. The second container is .2, Redis, the third container .3, and so on and so forth. So you can access it to your from your local area network. Okay, take a moment to review on our Docker host. We have the operating system version, the Docker version, okay, the bridge status. As you can see at this point, we only have one bridge. It's the default bridge, Docker 0. And here is our our interfaces. So we have the loopback. We have only one network address, network device, which is ENS 118, that is equivalent to our ETH 0, and our Docker 0, which is the bridge interface. Okay, and at the moment we do not have any container installed or running. And the next thing we need to do is we need to add a new bridge interface. At the moment, as you can see, we have only one bridge device. So to add a new bridge device, we need to tell the operating system that we need a new bridge device. So to do this on Ubuntu version 18.04, we use the netplan utility. So if you don't have this file, you create it, and the contents should be like this. All right, so this is the default. So the only thing here that needs to be adjusted is I will remove these comments. Okay, so vi, so it should be like this. That one. So what would happen here, we create a bridge device, okay, and this is important. We need to specify the interfaces. In this host, we have ENS 18 as its ETH 0. So we have that. We save. Okay. All right. So we save, then we apply it. Sudo netplan apply. Then we reboot the OS. Okay. Okay, I just finished rebooting the host, and when it came back, I ran this command again just to show the new device that we just created earlier. So BR0. Earlier we only have Docker 0. Now we have this BR0. Okay. Then if you check also the IP ADDR, we have this. All right. And as you can see, BR0 has its own IP address. All right. So it got this from DHCP. You can have static IP address. If you want to, just go to the netplan config file and state their static IP address. All right, so still the Docker 0 is still here. All right. Now the next step is we need to tell Docker network to use the new bridge device that we just created. Okay, so the command will be Docker network create, then minus subnet. This should be your LAN subnet, and the IP address range. So this is like the DHCP range. When you create your container, it will get that container IP address from here. So it will start handing out 192.168.1.1, then the next container .2, .3, .4, so on and so forth. Okay, then you specify this gateway. So this gateway is actually the IP address of the BR0. All right. So then you get the attachable. Okay, let me go back to this gateway. This is not the default routing gateway. Okay, this will come up as the IP address of your BR0. All right. Then you have this option. So this is self-explanatory. Just go to the Docker website to dig more on this for more information. Then after we finish that, we name the new device, the new network, I mean, as MyNet 192. So this is an arbitrary name. You can choose any name you want. Here I have pasted the long command. So I'm going to press enter now. All right. Okay. So here, guys, after I executed the command, it brought up BR0 with the 150 IP address. Okay. So this is just an arbitrary, IP address that I choose from the range. So if you can see, gateway 150, right? So it reflected here 150. So I got an error earlier because I executed this earlier, and I redid it the second time, so that's why. So right now we have BR0, Docker 0, and now we are ready to create Docker containers and attach them to this BR0. And here, take a quick look. So running the Docker network ls command, we have the newly bridge that we just created. So it's added to the Docker, and the Docker engine recognized it. So to get more detail about this new bridge device, so we run that command and press enter. Okay. So as you can see, the information there, our LAN IP address, Okay, before I create the new container, I just want to make sure that the IP address 192.168.1.1 is nothing is sitting on that IP address. So I ping it 5 times. I have an unreachable status. Then try the curl to see if it's, just to make sure. So we verify that nothing is sitting on 192.168.1.1. Now we're about to create the first container. So this is a basic command, docker run minus name. So this is very important. The minus minus network should be equal to mynet 192, the one that we just added to the Docker network, then nginx. So make sure that, minus minus name, there's a space there, and minus minus network is equal sign. Okay? So I press enter now. All right, guys, I just executed this command, and it created the container successfully. Tried pinging it 5 times, so it's up. Okay, try running curl. All right, now we're gonna try to access it in the browser. So here we go, guys. So our nginx is on the local network now. Okay, so I have something to show you more. Alright, guys, I issued this command, docker network inspect mynet 192, just to verify our bridge. So as you can see, if we go here to the container section, we got the nginx, the virtual machine we just created. Alright, guys, this is very easy. Let me know if you have questions, and I'll try to answer and this is the string that you need to issue in the command line. Okay, just copy and paste this and adjust it accordingly. All right, let me know if you have questions, suggestions, if any errors, let me know. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.